In today's video, we're going to be going over how you can make from $5,000 to $20,000 in just one day by using this simple method of simply using your credit card from whomever you bank with. My name is KINGLATTA, and I will be teaching you how to invest easily and how to make money more easy. This is Black Investors Group. So let's get into how to make $20,000 in just one day from using your credit card. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! My name is KINGLATTA, and I am going to teach you today how to make $5,000 to $20,000 in one day by simply using your credit card from whoever you bank with. So, say you bank with Navy Federal, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, or even a credit union. Credit unions are better to do this for. All you have to do, guys, if you're young, please do this now. If you're young, please do this now. I strongly advise you to do this now. Go to whoever you bank with, or if you don't have a bank account, go get a bank account, start you up a checking account, and then get you a credit card. Guys, apply for a credit card, or most of the times, especially if you're a college student, they will send you credit cards in the mail. Only fill out one of them. You don't want to take advantage of all these free credit cards because you think they're going to give you all these benefits. No, fill out one credit card, use one credit card from whomever you bank with, guys. Alright, this is the, you see me keep throwing this up, guys. This is the Wells Fargo new autograph card. Man, I got another video right here on how you can get this autograph card and get up to 30,000 points in the first 3 months if you only spend $1,500. So link right here, link in the description on how to obtain this autograph card. But anyways, back to it. You want to get a credit card, and as soon as you get that credit card and activate that credit card, you want to act as if your credit card is a debit card, guys. What I mean by this is you want to spend your credit card, swipe, and then after you swipe, about 2 days later, about a week later, you want to pay that credit card off. You want to, say you go to Chick-fil-A and get you an 8-count nugget meal, alright? Swipe that credit card. Now, a week later, pay that $8 off on that credit card. You know what I'm saying? Pay that $9 off, whatever the nugget meal cost is now. But you get the gist of what I'm saying. You want to keep your credit card under 30%, guys. So if you have a $1,500 credit limit, guys, 30% of $1,500 is around $400, guys. So you don't want to spend any more than about $300 or $400. So if you have a large credit limit of $6,000, okay, spend $1,000 a month and pay it off. Now, you can pay it off a couple days early, that's good, but if you really want to boost your credit, pay it off a week after you spent the money. Pay it off every week. Pay off your credit card every week, that way you'll never get behind, and that way it's not too much money to chunk up at one time, especially if you have a high credit limit and you spent $1,000, now you don't have to cough up a whole $1,000. You know, just separate it 200, 200, 200. You know what I'm saying? I advise using your credit card at like gas stations, because if there's a small possibility that there's a little scanner on the gas pump that people are scamming, you know what I'm saying? They take your card information, it's your credit card. It's not hooked up to any major accounts of your money, so you could easily stop the scamming sensation. You could easily decline your card and all that. So I advise, you know, use your credit card for like gas and like snacks, you know what I'm saying, small purchases, and then pay it off real easy like. And then this is the meat and butter. After you have about 6 months, after you have about a year of good credit, good payment history, you know what I'm saying, if you have nothing else on your credit report, what you want to do is you want to simply apply for a loan, a personal loan, or if you're doing this through your business account, apply for a business loan. You can do this, they will approve you for $5,000 to $20,000 for having good payment history on a credit card. They will approve you for $5,000 to $20,000 for having good payment history on a credit card, guys. I got $15,000 credit personal. I got a $15,000 personal loan from Wells Fargo not too long ago because I only had a year and about 4 months of good payment history, paying off a college card that I got in the mail about 2 years ago, paying that off every month. And guys, I paid it off a couple days early. I didn't even do the week-to-week strategy. So all you have to do, guys, pay off your credit card on time and apply for a loan. Now, you might think, I don't just need money so I can have debt. I'm gonna teach you how you can make your debt work for you. So, passive income, one of the biggest things I talk about on this channel, how to make money in your sleep, how to make money by doing nothing. Novatech, right here, Novatech is a crypto trading platform that allows you to invest your money, and they pay you 3% compound interest on your money every week, guys. So if you have $1,000 and you give it to Novatech, they will invest that and give you 3% every week. And if you roll it back over into your trading account, the 3% will, so off of $1,000, 3% is $30. So you'll make $30 every Friday. Now, what you want to do is you want to put that $30 back into your account. Now, next Friday, you'll make 3% of $1,030. That's how compound interest works. You make 3% of $1,030 now. So now, the next Friday, instead of making just $30, you're gonna make around, I want to say $33. And then it'll keep stacking, you know, to go to 35 and 40, and then 45, 50s, then it'll probably jump to 60, you know what I'm saying? And then also, Novatech, you can withdraw your money anytime you want. It's completely safe. They've been around for 4 years in business without a missed payout. I strongly advise you guys to go check out Novatech, link in the description. Please sign up. Get your crypto in order. It is a crypto trading platform, so you have to buy Bitcoin first. You have to get a crypto wallet. You send the crypto to Novatech, and when you want to take your money out, guys, you have to have your wallet set up. I have a tutorial on how to set up your crypto wallet, link in the description. I have a wallet. You have to have your wallet set up so you can, when you want to withdraw from Novatech, you withdraw your money into your wallet from your crypto wallet, whoever you want to use, FTX, Binance, Crypto.com, whoever you want to use. You will simply put your money from your wallet to your bank account. So that's how Novatech works, guys. That's why I say you can make $20,000 in 1 day off of your bank account. You invest that $20,000 into your Novatech crypto account, guys, and you will make a good $500 every week just from having that 3% compound interest coming from your Novatech account. And guys, if you are able to save your money in this Novatech account and get it up to $30,000, you will make $1,000 a week by doing absolutely no work at all. You will make a passive income stream of $1,000 a week by simply building your credit and taking advantage of your debt. And the loan amount that you go for, you want to put it for a higher month term, guys. You want to put it for a higher month term. This is key because now banks can get more interest off of you, and they see like you have more time to pay it off. So they will more likely approve you for the loan if you put it for a higher term. So put it for about 5 years, 6 years. And now your payment will be about $200 to $300 a month. But with Novatech, you will make that $300 in just half a week, guys. So please sign up for Novatech, guys. Please build your credit, guys. And this is King Latta. I hope you enjoyed this video and Black Investors Group, guys. Stay tuned for more tips on how to make passive income, on how to build your credit. And this is King Latta, and we out.